Alien dog yodels. Basenjis don't bark, they yodel, and their voice sounds like an alien song mixed with laughter. Unlike almost every other dog breed on the planet, the Basenji's unique vocal cords make traditional barking impossible. Instead, when these dogs get excited or want to communicate, they let out a bizarre, melodic sound called a baru, often described as a blend between a wolf's howl and a futuristic siren. The effect is so strange that first-time listeners sometimes think they're hearing a sci-fi creature. This wild vocal trait comes from thousands of years of evolution in Central Africa, where Basenjis originally hunted silently in dense forests. Hunters needed a canine companion that wouldn't give away their position, so these dogs developed their signature yodel as a stealthy alternative to barking. If you ever meet a Basenji, don't expect the usual woofs, they'll serenade you with a sound that seems straight out of another world.